Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'll be taking a walk through Alpha Tree. Usually do my driving videos, but this will be a walking video. So this is Alpha Tree nightlife. Alright, remember to like, remember to comment, subscribe if you're new as well. This is the Usain Bolt call center. This is how it looks at night. His signature pose lights up. So that's the side view. So one pose is at the side, one is at the front. And then down this side is back to Alpha Tree. We have Scotiabank here. And then CIBC right here.
issues are more. and you can't understand what it is. Those 3, 4, I could wish that myself.
Alright, so basically taking some shots from the two main stoplights in Harbour Tree. The first one was the one at the clock, and the second one is the one at the transport center. So just spending some time there,
Right, great. So it says here,
looking at what's happening.
that it's speaking about the Israelites according to the flesh. Now you have some cunning persons, and some cunning persons who deceive some other persons into believing that are speaking about you being spiritual Israelites. Right? Now the Bible here is speaking, it says here speaking about Israelites according to the flesh. So you can be a spiritual Israelite as much as you claim or want to be. But the Bible in Romans 9 is talking about Israelites according to the flesh. Right? Spirit is good, but we have to face a fact. It's talking about Israelites according to the flesh. So don't come to us and tell us about no spiritual things. Right? That is good. If you are from the history of the Bible, alright? Read.
Verse 4, Romans chapter 9 and 4, who are Israelites who pertain to the adoption, the glory.
Right, so it's saying that, alright, read from verse 3 again.
Book of Romans chapter,
Talking about Israel according to the flesh.
Book of Romans chapter
So
9 and
Harbour
3.
Tree,
For I could wish that myself
night
were
walk.
accursed from Christ, for my brethren,
Remember to leave your comment, like, subscribe.
who are Israelites, to whom pertain to the adoption, the glory, the covenants, the giving of the law, and the service of God, and the promise of God.
Right, so it's saying that the Israelites according to the flesh, to us. He never said to the European. He never said to the Edomite. He never said to the Chinaman. He said to the Israelites pertain what? The adoption. Right? The adoption where we talk about the church will tell you about the adoption as Abraham's seed. That's what it's talking about. Israel according to the flesh. You're not talking about the spirit thing. Right? Who pertain the adoption and the glory, the covenants, all these things are for us. The giving of the law is for us. The service of the Most High is for us. And the promises, the same promises you talk about, Abraham promise, Isaac promise, that's for us. Right? According to the flesh, not according to the spirit. Alright? So, the people, right? Yes, Gentiles are welcome, but no Gentile has no authority to teach us what they want to teach us. It is what the Most High says, and that is it, right? So that is one of the downfalls of the Christian church. If you look at the Christian church, most of them are founded by what we call Edomites, or what we understand today as the white man, the Caucasian, the European, right? All of the churches are founded by these people who twist and turn the message to bring to the people and to hide the true facts from the people. Now how can these people teach us the truth? When it says here in the scripture that to us pertain the laws, the covenants, the promises, the promise of Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, it pertains to us. Right? So how can they teach us? Can they teach us anything except paganism? Right, so we just want to show the people that the laws are the Most High to be kept. And also that our people have been in deception for many years. This is a generational thing, and I don't know if most people will hear about Willie Lynch, but maybe they're not going detail as to the whole
Alright
Willie
guys,
Lynch thing.
see you on that
But the
next
whole
video.
Willie Lynch thing
Again,
was a
leave your
plan by the
comments,
slave masters
remember to
to
share,
implement
remember to
mental
like the
slavery.
video, and remember to subscribe if you're new.
So they found out that physical slavery was good, right? But if you can implement mental slavery, according to them, it will last 1,000 years. And that is what is happening to our people today. That was the plan by Willie Lynch, a slave master, to implement a mental